offering the highest quality in dental care. Desert View Dental.
Hi, I'm Darbie here at Symphony Animal Foundation, and today we're joined with Sonia. Sonia is a 7-year-old Rottweiler Mastiff. She just makes herself comfortable and at home. She's so friendly, and she instantly makes friends with any person that comes in. She gets along really well with other dogs. I hear she really likes car rides too. But she is just a big love. And she is so much fun, and she just has this energy, this super excited, happy energy, but she's also really well trained. So you should definitely come and see her. She is black and brown, and she's on the larger side. So if you'd like to come and see her, stop on by Symphony Animal Foundation. They're at 2501 Wheeler Pass. Take the road Panorama, which is in between AutoZone and Best Western. Keep going down that road onto the dirt road and make a right onto Wheeler Pass. And then you can give them a call at 775-990-6578, or you can go on to symphonyanimalfoundation.org. They're also on Facebook too, so you should check them out. Bye, Sonia.